What's going on, guys? 10-Minute Tech here, back with another video, and I got another case for you guys. This one is brought to you by Torras. This is the Torras magnetic shockproof case. Now, before I get started with this video, I want to go over a couple of things. The first thing I want to talk about is cases when it comes to any of my devices. When I get these cases, whether I purchase the cases or I get them from, any of the OEMs that are sending them for review, I always unbox these cases and put them on my phone and test them out. The reason I do that is because I want to get a feel for the case. I want to see how it feels on my phone, and I want to be able to give you guys a good review on it. Now, again, that's not to knock anybody that does a clean unboxing and then putting it on the phone and then seeing how it feels when they get the package or the case. But for me, I like to try the case out so I can give you a good opinion on whether or not I would actually spend money on these cases, especially with some of them because of the prices. But I just wanted to put that out there. Somebody did ask me that when it comes to the cases. I don't slap them on, when I first get them and then give you a review. I usually put the case on, try it out for 2 or 3 days, then I shoot the video, give you my opinions on the case, and then I go from there. So, without further ado, let's talk about the Torras. I said chorus. Let's talk about the Torras magnetic shockproof. Now, the packaging from Torras, I really like it. I told you guys when I did my other Torras unboxing, which was the 360 magnetic Pro case. I really like that case, but I love the packaging and what you get when you buy a Torras case. This one, I'll leave the links in the description. I think at the time of this video, it sells for about $55. But what you get in the package, to me, is a nice bundle and pretty much worth that. So this is actually what you get. So you're gonna get the case, of course, and it's a 2-sided case, like the boxing that they put this in. And then you also get 2 screen protectors. So with Torras, they give you one-stop shopping. You get a couple screen protectors you can use and put them on the phone. I don't use those just yet, but it's nice to have them. Again, my motto, rather have it and not need it than need it and not have it. But I'm currently using the Easy Fit from Spigen. I do owe you guys a video on that one. And this case, the screen protector works really well. I had to clear the notification off there, but this is a good screen protector that I've been using for a while. So you have the case, and it's pretty simple. So pretty simple fit with this one. I really like it. It's thin, got a really thin profile, a little bit of Torras branding on the side, hinge protection, very solid. And of course you have that, what they call it, the Mega Mag, but MagSafe, MagFit, whatever you want to call it. And the feel on this case is really nice. It is a matte type case. You will get some smudges on it depending on how oily your hands are, but overall I don't get that many. I probably could wipe this one down, but I'm gonna show you how easy it is to actually slap this one on. All right, what I like to do, doesn't matter either way that you do it, but I usually take the front of the case, and I didn't show you this, but this is actually pretty thin. Gives you a little notch here so you can open the phone pretty easy. No stickers. Shout out to the guys at Torras. I think they've mastered this thing. Pretty easy installation on the front. This does not move. I mean, it barely moves, but it doesn't have a lot of give like a lot of these other cases do. I mean, you don't really notice that little bit of wiggle there. I've never noticed it. And there's some cases that have a lot of wiggle there. This one doesn't. Then you just snap the back on, and literally there you have it. It's really that simple. So let's go over the case again. Really simple. That hinge, all your cutouts match up. It's open on this side, so you have access to your fingerprint reader and your volume up and down. All your cutouts at the top, and a nice bit of protection, as you can see, for your camera. So it's pretty good. And you do have a nice little lip around the front area of your phone. I'm not gonna show that it's Slamboy certified, but this actually is a pretty protective phone. And the fit on it, to me, every case that I've used so far on the Z Fold 7 hasn't made me feel that I've changed a whole lot about the way the phone actually feels once I put a case on. I think so far, the case manufacturers that I've tried on my Z Fold 7, they've all done a good job at keeping the phone very slim and giving you a good protective package in the cases. So easy to open. There you see the profile when it's open. Still gives you a little thinness there. Again, no stickers. That is such a plus for me on that one. So you see that profile on the side and the side there. And there's no noise on this one. Opens really easy. I've been hitting it with my fingerprint there. But this one really feels good. I mean, it's got that nice feel in the hand, and I really, really do like it. So the last thing we're gonna look at real quick is it does have MagSafe. Now, one of the things I wanna show you, this MagSafe does work. And it fits really good. Now, I'm not gonna sit here and just yank my phone around on the MagSafe. What I'm looking for when I use a MagSafe item is that the hold is really good, especially for what you do. When I put this in my car on my MagSafe stand that I have, my MagSafe charger, it holds very well, doesn't move around, doesn't wobble. And with this, I use the Spigen O-ring. This holds it pretty good. And for me, I use this when I'm actually holding the phone, just like this, single-handed, or when I open the phone, I can literally have a nice hold of it on the side, and it stays put pretty good, and it makes me feel like I have a nice bit of MagSafe action going on there. So overall, I'm gonna give this case a thumbs up. I really like it. So again, folks, that was the Torras MagSafe Shockproof case, or magnetic shockproof case. I'm gonna leave the links in the description if you guys wanna go out and pick this up. I'm not an affiliate by any means. I did purchase this on my own for the channel. However, I will leave a link in the description also. If you guys wanna, I don't know, buy me a cup of coffee, donate to the channel, go ahead. A lot of the things that I get to the channel, I bring them in myself. I'm a small creator. I just like doing this and having fun and trying to do the best I can with telling you about some of these products, especially for the everyday person. So again, Torras did a good job on this one. I'll see you guys in the next video. Got some more great case videos coming up this week. Again, I still have to give you guys Ghost Tech. I still have the rest of my Spigen lineup to give you. Go through the Samsung cases that I talked about. And I actually have a surprise coming from the good folks at Poetic. I can't wait for that one. Again, this has been 10 Minute Tech. I'll see you guys in the next video.